I'm not sure I know what I'm doing here, but the birds seem to know what they are doing here. What you have seen so far was filmed from inside my house through an open window with the screen still in the window. I rather like the effect. However, I have removed the screen now. There she goes. Watching, waiting. The turtle is a terracotta piece, so not to worry. A bather has arrived at last. Well, how does it look? You got to jump in. Attaboy. Way to go. Give a little water for later. I think we have a shy bird here hiding behind the turtle. What do you think? Well, the bath is over. Come back again, Redbird.